I'm Laura, I'm still French. I'm gonna watch The Expanse Season 1, Episode 5. I'm still discovering this show, I'm still intrigued by this show, I'm still like, okay, I really like this story, I really like this world, Earth, Mars, the belt, all of that. I really like all of the storylines about the crew on the ship, about the deep inspiration of this girl. But I'm still also trying to connect with the characters. I don't have right now enough background, enough feelings, enough thoughts of the characters to really connect with them. And like I said during my review of the last episode, I'm gonna put a link if you want to see it. I need that to really like a show, to really fall in love with a show, and to be able to also react a lot during an episode. And I'm still not sure I'm gonna post those reaction videos on YouTube. If you are watching this video, it means I'm gonna post my reaction videos about this show, but right now I don't know. I know that I'm gonna finish this season 1 because I want to have the answer about all of those questions that I have on my mind. I begin to have theories about this show, so it's really great. It means it worked on me, it really worked. I have theories, I'm trying to figure it out, I'm trying to know who did what, but really I just miss this part where I'm falling in love with those characters, where I'm connecting with them, yes, you know what I mean? So I just need a little more to connect with them, I think. But really, this show so far, for the storylines and for the realization, the production of it, it's really great. The musics also are really great, and really we can see where the money is going, if you know what I mean. Really, on that show we know where the money is going because they are making such an effort for the costumes, for the musics, for the lights, for the production of the sci-fi effects also. So yes, it's really great for the storylines, the way of writing the storylines about this season and about this world, and also for the production, the realization of it. I just miss a little more for those, the characters. I need them to be as well written as the storylines, and it would be perfect, and I will be all in. So right now I'm gonna watch the episode 5. I hope I'm gonna love it, and that's all. Let's begin. Come on, be nice with this girl. You don't know her, you don't know her intentions. Why do you presume that she had bad ones? Oh yes, you're hurt. Ooh. Oh! Okay. What? I won't let those who attacked the Martian ship? Who are they? And who did they work for? Do they work for? What? Flashback? I like flashbacks to understand where the characters.
This is Anderson Station. Go ahead.
Surrender.
We're the only survivors from Canterbury and the Dodge. We look like terrorists.
Yes,
Our story, I wouldn't believe us.
I wouldn't.
So you think. We're not going to
Title? I like that Amos is so loyal to Naomi. Yes, I can ship them. I'm not shipping them yet, but I can. I think I can. You're hallucinating? Maybe because he didn't take his drug?
Havelock is one of us. This is still our station. Let's make sure that people don't think otherwise.
I'm not sure I like that. La censure? Yes, great. Now or another day? I'm not pro killing people, but I'm not sure I interpret well this character. Miller is nice, but he's playing at being mysterious, and he's not mysterious, he's playing at being mysterious, if you know what I mean.
What do you think is on this omnibus? Maybe this is above your pay grade.
I'm really not sure I'm okay with his character. We saw that he can be funny, he can be, you know, and being mysterious like that. What? She's arguing with a ship? Oh, you know someone on Taiko, no? Is it her dad? I mean, Fred Johnson? Anywhere as long as they are together. Me every morning.
You don't see what I see. What do you see? A series for Belters. Run by Belters. Ma'am,
Okay,
right now the OPA
so you're with the OPA, the Resistance.
station is get to walk outside into the valley. Breathe pure air. They go past that light, past that blue sky. They see the stars, but they think.
Okay, I like his character. I can understand why he thinks that.
Exchange of information. Truth are possible knowledge. I want to find out what happened to her just as much as me.
Really?
I refuse to surrender.
That's too late.
Please respond.
Police officers were hurt and dozens were arrested as security clashed with Belter extremists. It all centers on accusations of arson.
Yes?
It's gonna be kind of hard for you to stay honest now.
When you are playing like a cowboy, you have to take the responsibilities of the cowboy.
2 days down at the aid camp, I begged Julie to get out of there. She said she was okay. She said she felt safe. She stayed down in the mines, breathing the same poison air as those Belters, eating the same contaminated food. Only time I did see it right was these Belters at a rally. mother. You're one of us now.
I can admire her.
Next the clerk for sugar. Yeah. Think Julie's dead? She's dead.
You care for her?
No, she protected her.
Why are you judging him so quickly? Who gave you the permission for that? Who are you to judge people about what they should do or not?
What do we do?
You can pray, but it's not gonna help. That was 11 years ago, so...
4 days ago, the miners working for the Anderson Hillside Corporation knew the children had been diagnosed with what the medics are calling hypoxic brain injury. It's due to the low oxygen working environments. Not a lot of people. We didn't intend for anyone to be hurt during our protests. We just wanted to be hurt for the sake of our children.
Okay, that was rough, and that was broadcasting 11 years ago. Maybe that thing started the OPAs, the willing of revenge, of resistance against them, against the system. It was you? I'm trying to understand it. He is the leader of Taiko, but he was the butcher of the Anderson sheep. Maybe that changed him and he became to be the leader of Taiko, the leader of those who want to resist. A new name for the sheep?
It's Spanish, workhorse.
Okay. You have a name. This crew have a name now. What? That's creepy. A rat? Again? Is it somebody or is it a clue? We saw a lot of rats on the first ship of the Rocinante crew, on that place that Miller searched. It's really like me every morning. So, okay, so the rat was a spy. What? Who are you? What do you want? They really have to work on their end. Really. I'm gonna say it another time. They really have to work on their end. They are making good end with a cliffhanger, a surprise, but they are not taking the time to give us this cliffhanger, to give us this end. You just have to take a little more time to prepare us for this cliffhanger, to make us like, you know, like you have to create suspense, you have to create a rhythm. You can't just give us a surprise, a cliffhanger, and boom, this is the end. No, let us be like cliffhanger, surprise, and the end. Just not chuk 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 chuk. You have to take more time. They really have to work with their end. Oh, this episode is really great, and I know now that I'm gonna post those reaction videos on YouTube because I saw myself during this reaction video, and I know that I'm reacting a lot because that's it. Now I'm attached to those characters. I'm not really connecting with Miller, so I don't know why, but he's the only character that I don't understand right now, because he really changed a lot from one episode to another. Really, he was not the same. He was like funny, cynical with his partner during the episode 1. After that, he became mysterious. After that, he became the lonely investigator. After that, you know, he is changing a lot, and I can't connect with someone who is changing at each episode. Just after I just discovered him, I have to connect with him, and after that you can make a development for his character. After that you can make an evolution for a character, but give me the time to connect with them. I can connect even more with Julie, that we just saw on episode 1, but because of what they are saying about her in each episode, I can understand her and I can get attached to her, to really be interested on what is happening to her because of that. But Miller is there from the episode 1 and I'm not connecting with him yet because I don't have time to do that. It's changing too much. I can ship Amos and Naomi. I'm not shipping them yet, but I can ship them because I really admire the loyalty of Amos for Naomi. We didn't see that woman, Chris Wren, on that episode because I think the flashbacks thing took that time on this episode. It was really interesting to see that flashback because for us to understand that new world, we can understand what is happening right now because of what they explain, what they show us, informations about this new world. But to really fully be on it, we have to have the context, the background, the story about this world. So it was really great and necessary to use a flashback for doing that. I'm really right now wondering who is who and for doing what. Mars and Earth are close to be on war because of Ceres. They want to have the control on Ceres, and the Belters are slaves for them, they are working for them. But Tycho, I don't know where I can put Tycho, and maybe I don't understand it well during this episode, but I don't know if Tycho is a planet or a ship. Do I have time? Yes, I have time to watch another episode right now. It will be another day for you, so I hope that you enjoy this episode. Tell me, I was gonna say tell me what you are thinking about this show, but no, because I'm binge watching this show and I don't want to have any spoilers about it. I am not reading anything about this show on Wikipedia, on Twitter, on YouTube, on whatever website. I'm not reading or seeing anything about it because I don't want to have spoilers. I want to be surprised by a show when I'm binge watching it. So please don't tell me any spoilers, but tell me maybe if you took time also to be involved in this show, if you are also like me, like trying so hard to figure it out. Tell me if it's getting better with each episode, but please don't put spoilers on the comments. Please. Okay, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.